Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So in previous video we have already understood about the extraction of highly reactive metals, in which we have understood the extraction of aluminum metal. Okay. So today we are going to understand how to extract the moderate or medium reactive metals. So first we have to understand what are moderate reactive metals, or we can say the medium reactive metals. Actually में क्या होते हैं? So those metal they are in at the middle of the reactivity series are called as moderately reactive metals or medium reactive metals. So in our nature, these moderately reactive metals are occurs in their sulfide or in carbonated form. जो मॉडरेटली रिएक्टिव मेटल्स होते हैं वो किस फॉर्म में मिलते हैं हमारे नेचर में? इन देयर सल्फाइड सॉल्ट के फॉर्म में या फिर कार्बोनेटेड सॉल्ट के फॉर्म में. दे ऑकर्स इन आवर नेचर एंड मेनली इन आवर अर्थ क्रस्ट. सो देयर आर फ्यू मॉडरेटली रिएक्टिव मेटल्स लाइक वी हैव फेरस, वी हैव जिंक, we have then copper, etc. So these metals are very moderately reactive metals. Okay, they are not highly as well as low reactive metals. They are placed in between of the reactivity series. वो higher और lower दोनों के बीच में रखे हुए. That means they are moderately reactive metals. So let's understand how to extract the moderately reactive metals. So extraction of moderate or moderately reactive metals. Okay, so we will understand the extraction of zinc metal, which is the moderately reactive metals. So in this video we have to understand the moderately reactive metals में zinc का extraction. So extraction of zinc. Extraction of zinc metal. Okay, so moderately reactive metals are, we have example like we have zinc, we have copper, we have zinc, copper, then ferrous, etc. So these are the moderately reactive metals. That's what they are kept in the middle of the reactivity series. Okay, so we are going to understand the extraction of zinc. So zinc present in our nature in sulfide ore, or in carbonated ore. कार्बोनेटेड ओर के फॉर्म में हमारे अर्थ क्रस्ट में ऑकर होता है कौन? जिंक. ओके, सो देयर इज वन क्वेश्चन. द मॉडरेटली रिएक्टिव मेटल्स दे ऑकर्स इन आवर नेचर इन विच फॉर्म? सो दे ऑकर्स इन आवर नेचर इन सल्फाइड फॉर्म और इन कार्बोनेटेड फॉर्म. ओके, सो देयर सी सल्फाइड ओर इज ZnS. It is called as zinc blende. It is called as zinc blende and it is zinc carbonate, that is ZnCO3. So these are nothing but the ore of extraction of zinc metal. Okay, these are the main ore. Now we have to understand something about the zinc. So the atomic number of zinc is 30. Its atomic number is 30. It is a metal. It is a metal and it is also called as transition metal. We can say transition metal. Okay, its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 3d10 and 4s2. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration of zinc and this type of electronic configuration you are going to understand in your next standard. Okay, so we have to count the number of electron whether they are going to be equals to 30 or not. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 and 2 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 and 10 is 28, and 2 30. That means we have 30 elements in case of zinc metal. Okay, so now write down this part. Now we are going to understand the extraction of zinc. Okay, so write down. So we have two types of ore for zinc. One is sulfide ore, that is ZnS, and another one is ZnCO3. See, both the ore which are used for the extraction of zinc metal. But here in zinc we have sulfide form and here we have carbonated form. So these two different ores are going to use by the different process for extraction of zinc. Okay, so we are heating both the ores in different condition. Okay, see, कंडीशन आपको समझना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. दैट इज वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रिंसिपल. सो प्रिंसिपल क्या है? इफ आवर मेटल इज इन सल्फाइड फॉर्म तो हम इसको रोस्टिंग करते हैं. क्या करते हैं? इसको रोस्टिंग मेथड से हम उसको एक्सट्रैक्शन करेंगे. अगर हमारा ओर कार्बोनेटेड फॉर्म है तो इसको हम हीट करेंगे और इसके ऑक्साइड के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे बाय यूजिंग कैल्सिनेशन मेथड. कैल्सिनेशन मेथड. सो जिंक अगर सल्फाइड के फॉर्म में है या कोई भी मेटल अगर सल्फाइड के फॉर्म में है तो उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग रोस्टिंग मेथड. रोस्टिंग मेथड. इफ they are in carbonated form they are using calcination method. Okay, that two method you have to remember. Now we are going to understand the method now. So roasting method means what? So roasting का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज को हायर टेम्परेचर पर हीट करना in presence of excess of air. Such method are called as roasting method. Okay, so actual में अब क्या होगा हम वो चेक करते हैं. So roasting method क्या होगी? It is the method in which ore are this metallic part is zinc and it is here sulfide. So the sulfide ore they are heated at the high temperature in presence of excess of air to convert zinc into their sulfide form. Okay, or their oxide form, not in sulfide. Okay, so reaction क्या हो जाएगी? It is ZnO. हमने इसको एक्सेस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में हीट किया. सो क्या फॉर्म होगा? सी, प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड रोस्टिंग एंड वी आर हीटिंग एट अ हायर टेम्परेचर. हीटिंग एट अ हायर टेम्परेचर बिलो द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ जिंक एंड that is zinc sulfide. Okay, then zinc sulfide is converted into zinc oxide, that is in ZnO. Okay, so here the zinc will oxidize to form ZnO and sulfur will oxidize to form sulfur dioxide and which is escapes out into atmosphere. Okay, so now we have to balance the reaction now. See, here we have 2 oxygen and here we have 1 and 2, that is 3 oxygen. So in order to balance the reaction we have to multiply here by 2, here by 2. So 2 zinc, so we have to write here 2 ZnO. Then here we have 2 sulfur, so here we have to multiply by 2 again. So now we have to balance the oxygen now. So 2 2s are 4 oxygen are here and here 2, that is 6. So here we have to multiply by 3. So 3 2s are 6 oxygen. Okay, now reaction is balanced. So what we have done in the roasting method? In the roasting method, or it is the method in which sulfides ore are heated at higher temperature in presence of excess of air. Okay, to form ZnO, and this sulfur dioxide gas will escape out into atmosphere. This process is called as roasting. याद रखना, जब भी हमारा ore अगर सल्फाइड के फॉर्म में, so we are using roasting method. What is the roasting method? It is the method in which ores are heated at a higher temperature in presence of excess of air is called as roasting method. Now we have to understand the calcination method. So in calcination method, we are calcinating the carbonated ore. So here we have zinc carbonate, which is our ore. Now we are heating at a higher temperature. High temperature पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हीट कर रहे हैं. लिमिटेड सप्लाई ऑफ एयर मीन्स हम यहाँ पर एयर यानी ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, या करेंगे भी तो बहुत लिमिटेड अमाउंट में. ओके, सो अब यहाँ पर क्या फॉर्म हो जाएगा? ZnO अगेन, यहाँ पर फिर से फॉर्म होगा ZnO, एंड दिस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विल, दिस पार्ट विल फॉर्म O. इट इज ZnCO3. It is zinc carbonate. Okay, here 3 oxygen. So we have to write here 3. So ZnO is formed from zinc and oxygen, and here carbon dioxide gas will release. Okay, and again this carbon dioxide will release into atmosphere. So in both the reaction, whether in roasting or in calcination method, ZnO is formed. Then this ZnO is reduced by using suitable reducing agent in order to obtain the zinc metal. Okay, so now write down these two reactions first, then we are going to reduce the ZnO into zinc metal. Okay, so write down. This ZnO we have obtained from the two different method, and this method was depend on the type of ore. Okay, that means calcination as well as from the roasting method. From both the method we are getting ZnO. Okay, now ZnO is nothing but the zinc oxide. It is not a zinc metal, so we have to reduce this ZnO to zinc metal by using the suitable reducing agent. So generally the suitable reducing agent we are using carbon, which is the non-metal, and we are using some reactive metals like sodium or calcium, etc. We are using more, or aluminium we can say. Okay, so higher reactive metals का यूज करके हम मीडियम या लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल को इजीली रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो वी आर यूजिंग हियर द कार्बन which is a less, or which is the suitable reducing agent. So what will happen if we will heat the mixture of ZnO along with carbon at a high temperature? Okay, at a high temperature, then zinc oxide will reduce to form zinc metal, and carbon monoxide gas will released. Okay, and carbon monoxide gas will release. Okay, so this is the way we have to convert our zinc oxide into zinc metal. In this process, zinc will loses oxygen. That's why this process or this reaction is called as reduction reaction. Okay, now sometimes we are using the more reactive metals in order to reduce the moderate reactive metals. Okay, like we have MnO2. What is MnO2? It is manganese oxide. अब हमको मैग्नीज ऑक्साइड से अगर मैग्नीज को रिलीज करना है या एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? मैग्नीज से रिएक्टिव मेटल का यूज करेंगे एंड उनके मिक्सर को हीट करेंगे. देन जो मोर रिएक्टिव मेटल क्या होगी? वो ऑक्सीजन को रिप्लेस कर लेगी. ओके, लाइक वी आर यूजिंग एल्यूमिनियम एज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट का मतलब दिस एल्यूमिनियम विल गोइंग टू हेल्प Mn in reduction. Okay, that's why aluminum is called as reducing agent. Okay, so we know aluminum will form Al2O3. It is the oxide of aluminum, and MnO2 will reduce to form Mn. What is Mn? Mn is the manganese metal. Okay. Mn is the manganese metal. Okay, so now we have to balance the reaction now. See, here we have aluminum 2, but here we have 1, so we will balance later on. So here we have 3 oxygen, so we have to multiply here by 2, then number of oxygen will be, we have to have even number of oxygen in this side, but here we had 3, so 3 को हमने 2 से multiply किया, हो गया 6 and it is an even number, but here we have only 2 oxygen, so for that we had to multiply here by 3. Now 3 2s are 6 oxygen, here we have 2 3s are 6 oxygen. Now oxygen is balanced. See, here we have Mn is 3, so here Mn is only 1, so here we have to multiply again by 3. Now we have to balance the aluminum. So number of aluminum metal is 2 into 2 is 4, so here we have to multiply by 4 coefficient. Okay, so this is the balanced reaction now. So एक्चुअल में एल्यूमिनियम ने यहाँ पर क्या किया है, एल्यूमिनियम ने इस ऑक्सीजन को रिप्लेस कर दिया है किससे, Mn से, और ऑक्सीजन के साथ में खुद कंबाइन होकर उसने एल्यूमिनियम का ऑक्साइड बना लिया और जो मॉडरेट रिएक्टिव मेटल है उसको सेपरेट कर दिया. So we can say here the MnO2 is reduced to form manganese metal. Okay, so this is the way we have to extract the moderately reactive metals. Okay, so write down these 2 reaction also. So in this reaction, the temperature of the furnace is rises at a very high temperature. That's why these metals are obtained in their molten form. Molten form means वो अपने पिघले हुए यानी लिक्विड फॉर्म में हमको ऑब्टेन होंगे. Then we are then converting into the solid form and there we are using for other purposes in industrial levels. Okay, so students, I hope आपको moderate reactive metals का extraction समझ में आ गया होगा. If अगर आपको समझने में फिर से थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, so please do keep repeat this video once twice, तब तक आपको completely समझ नहीं आता. अगर आपको किसी पॉइंट में डाउट आता है, so please do call me on my number 8329130824 on my number between 4 to 6 PM in the evening. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.